Hey guys, so this is a Victorinox Swiss Army knife clip that you attach to the ring fastener here. And they're pretty cool. They're easy to install, fast. They work pretty good, but they have this edge here. And whenever I try to clip it, it snags here like this most times. It should just slide by it because it's a pretty hard edge here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna shave this edge at an angle. Let's see if that makes a difference. Let's remove the pocket clip. So it's pretty much riveted in place there. But using a Dremel tool, just gonna take off this edge here. I'll just be using a cutoff wheel. Okay, so this is the ramp I grounded. It looks pretty good. Let's hope it works good. Let's put it back together. Before that, let's make a nail nick for the multi-purpose hook right here. Okay, let's test it out on a pair of hands. Let's hope it works better. Yep, I don't see any snags now. It just glides right over it. It's a pretty easy fix. Anyone can do it. Huge improvement. Okay, well, I hope this helped. Bye, guys.